what I want to do is just factor out the denominator first when I'm solving this equation, kind of like what I did with the last question. So when I look at the denominator here, I know that this denominator factored out is x times x minus 2. Which kind of works out because this has an x minus 2 and this has an x. I'm going to change this to a plus negative 2. And I notice that the common denominator is going to have to be x times x minus 2 because that's what it is here. And both these terms have an x or an x minus 2. So what I'm going to have to do is get this, multiply this denominator by x minus 2. And if I'm multiplying the denominator by that, I'm going to multiply the numerator by the same thing. And then this has an x minus 2, this has an x minus 2, but it does not have an x. So I'm going to multiply this denominator by x, which means I'm going to multiply this numerator by x as well. So because the denominators are all the same across the board, let's see what we got here. We got 4x plus negative 2 times x minus 2 over x times x minus 2 equals 14 over x times x minus 2. So because these denominators are both the same, and if I want to cancel them out, I would multiply this by x times x minus 2, which means I would multiply this side by x times x minus 2. The denominators cancel all the way through. So what I have right now is I just have 4x plus negative 2 times x minus 2 equals 14. So I'm just going to try to solve this. So I get 4x plus negative 2 plus negative 2x plus 4 equals 14. So right now I have 2x plus 4 equals 14. So I end up with 2x equals 10. So x looks like it equals 5. So of course I want to check this because if it does not work, that means it is an extraneous solution. So I'm going to plug 5 into this equation. So I have 4 over 5 minus 2 plus negative 2 over 5 equals 14 over 5 squared minus 2 times 5. So I got 4 over 3 plus negative 2 over 5 equals 14 over 25 minus 10. So right now I have 4 over 3 plus negative 2 over 5 equals 14 over 15. Now in order to get these, I have to get a common denominator, so I'm going to multiply this by 3 and this one by 5. So right now I have 20 minus 6 over 15, which equals 14 over 15. So it checks out. So what I want you to do is try the next two questions, and we'll see you in class tomorrow.